for carry, and another C stands for color, and D for disposal. Like these are the three major problems which are faced by the housekeeping staff while they are cleaning. So what are the traits involved in this is that we are having a handle which makes the work easy, and inside this you can see we'll be collecting out the stuff or the waste from here on, and it moves to here, and here you can see a wall like orange thing. This is a wall, and from there on we should do like this. Like we should make this handle pull back so that the waste which was present over here will be transformed to the deeper ends. At the deeper ends we have another one which is of two-level thing, and we are pretty sure that whatever the waste it won't be stucking out in the first of the here. This is how we collect. And coming to the disposal, here you can see which is of a lid thing, and from here on whatever the dust present over here can be it can be pushed into the big dustbins, like big tank disposal things, so that whatever the dust we have inside, it will come out. Like since it's a mobile lid, we can place it and we can further use it.
Like glow, and monster, love, magic glove, magic glove. Okay, and C square T. C square T.
మా యూట్యూబ్లో పెట్టుకుంటానంటే
Afternoon to one and all. So, when coming to the general public problems of the servants, which we have surveyed with my team, we have found that their back pain is one of the most thing it is considering in them. So, we thought, why don't we reduce the size and height and weight of the broomstick? And that is what simply what might be. So, when we considered that, we thought of a plastic material and a feasible one which can adjust its height, first of all. So, later on, we moved to the step where, why don't we make the height and weight of the broomstick zero? So, going through brainstorming sessions and anything, we introduced this product called Clean-On. Statically, you can see this Clean-On is containing a box. These two are the swipers. Simply, this box is a sucker. It sucks the dust on under this one, and it will store in this box. These two are the swipers. Sorry.
Yeah.
These two are swipers. One swiper moves in the clockwise direction, and the other swiper moves in the anti-clockwise direction, so that the particles in this area will go into this box. When this goes into the box, we have fan under that. We have fan under that. That fan sucks it up. In this box, we will be storing it. So this is a portable one. Portable one. This stick, this can be height adjustable, depending upon the height. The minimum height will be the waist of the user. This side stick, you could see these side sticks, they are also adjustable depending upon the door size. We have done this due to the door size. Sometimes the door may be less, door may be large. When we have a larger one, this will be large and the door size is less. You need to adjust this. So this will be portable. And this dimensions will be explained by my friend. There are places where the door size will be less. If we have fixed this one, it cannot fit into the door. So when this is feasible, that is when it is adjustable, we can adjust to the length of the door, smaller one, so that it can be portable. And we can add that this can be lifted up. So when this is liftable, unnecessary area cannot be cleaned, or sometimes these may contain dust. And this is also a removable one now. So you can remove it, clean it, and push it in the same position. Portable, you can move wherever you want. You can tag it like a tail and walk. Wherever you go, it will be cleanable. Handing over.
Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon to all of you. And as my friend said, he missed some points. I will raise them. Is one motor rotates in clockwise direction, another one in anti-clockwise direction. And whenever an object is rotating, two forces will be acting on it. Centrifugal force and centripetal force. And due to the force, the dust and particles will travel in the tangential direction. As the sucking fan present there, it sucks and it stores it. Now when it comes to the dimensions of this, storage space has to be in a square shape. And it is equal in all the dimensions. I think 40 centimeters length, 40 centimeters width, 40 centimeters height. And normally human beings are 5 to 6 feet taller. No? So we will be adjust this in such a way that it will be around 4.5 to 5 feet, so that we can avoid bending by the so many problems. And this cleaners, no, they will be diameter is 60 centimeters. And this sucking fan will be nearly double to this. This follows, as both will be cash quality, not for the both.
Any questions?
Hello everyone, this is a basic problem for the grass cutters. These are two models. It is costing, it is cheap. Both, they can buy any one of these models which we have made it. This is yes. This was the question: how might we help gardeners to avoid grass and stones to stuck in the grass cutter when they are cutting in the lawn? Did you understand?
Grass cutter, stones and grass will be stuck in that grass cutter, in the blades of grass cutter. We have find that problem while we are discussing with the workers. What is the problem? When it's getting stuck, then what happens? They can't remove that outside. While moving their hands inward. Their hands are hurt. Everyone understanding the problem?
Another problem is some are not removing, they are attacking the workers like force coming backside.
Right.
Here, if any stone is stuck here, it is hitting back
It's
his
hitting back
legs.
to the legs.
So it is a major problem we have taken. This was the mechanical model. This was just lawn cutter. We have adjusted only stone removal bed machine.
This is run by using mechanical power of the cycle. This is strength. There will be another wheel of the cycle. By moving one wheel, we are adjusting the two wheels with a distance of 2 meters. And this
Energy by running the cycle. How many of you ride cycle? All of you ride. Okay, I will fix it to bullet. Now you are riding bullet now?